Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I am here to demonstrate a special version of our countdown timer series, which is a DC-40T-DN-BCD. So going over what the functions of this countdown timer is supposed to be retrofitted with an area sensor, and whatever is in that area sensor will count down the time. As you can see right here, you can it is preset up, and the time is presettable. You can switch it to to a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds, and you do this by essentially controlling. If I go to the top right here, and you can see these things called a BCD, and these control how long you want your time to be. So let's say I don't want 30 seconds. I want 10 seconds instead. So I'm using a flathead screwdriver. So I'll just put my flathead right in top of the third hole, which is underneath the set seconds, and then I'm just going to turn left until I reach 10 seconds. Just simple as that. And now I'm going to be showcasing how this is going to operate. And to simulate the area sensor, I'm using a button press that's connected to the switch connector, which is then regulated by the octaboard in the back. So say there's something in front of this area sensor here, and at that point the countdown starts. And say you get done with what you're working on. At that point, it'll reset the timer to the time you set it to. However, say you take too long and you're still working on your product, and at that point, the countdown, once it reaches 0, the and-in light will go off. This is one of our unique features, by the way, is an and-in light. And at that point, that lets you know, hey, you got to stop what you're doing and move on to the next item. And as I stated before, the area sensor, when there's nothing in front of it, it'll reset the time. It is a 4-inch aluminum case, so which is fingerprint resistant, and it's black coated, so it is resistant to all the black powder and any dirty setting that it'll be resistant to dirt and such. It is powered by a 24 VDC battery, which is powered by the wall, and it is a slot, and it also comes with a slotted teardrop knockout within the back, and it's 4x4 or 2x4, depending on what digits you want it to be. You just knock out the teardrops in the back via the back end of the cover, and at that point you can mount it on any wall that you need it to. And it's a small compact timer clock that can fit anywhere you need it to be, and you can see it from over 200 feet away. Again, this has been Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a special version of our DC-40T-DN-BCD. Thanks for watching.